Recovery Manager RMAN. It's a client-side utility. It's a client utility. We can use it to record, take backups. Okay. The main executable is in Oracle Home bin folder, like all other Oracle executables. The brain. This is recover.bsq is a file which is located in Oracle Home admin and admin folder. This is also called as brain of RMAN, and it uses the RMAN also uses these two packages, dbms backup restore and dbms revcat. These two are owned by a sys user, sys schema. The syntax to connect to a RMAN: we must first export the database which we are using, which is prod here in our case. We make sure it is started. Startup. Some previous exercise of backup and recovery. User manage recovery. Something missing there, so it is asking for recovery in this case. Okay, it's done. It is in archive log mode, and it is open read write. Both are working now. So now logging into your RMAN is, we can use RL-wrap. I use RL-wrap utility for ease of maintenance. The actual syntax is this much: RMAN target. Target means it will connect to the database which we are using basically. So this way it is connected now. It is showing connected to the target database prod and its DB ID is so and so. And this is another important point: using target database control file instead of recovery catalog. In this case we don't have a recovery catalog, so it is using the control file. Even we have the recovery catalog, it uses the target database control file to store metadata related to RMAN backups, and backup pieces it will store by default in Oracle Home DBS folder. But if we configure uh, FRA, like here we configure DB recovery file dest u01 FRA, so it will send the backup pieces to this particular folder. So we will go back to our RMAN connection. Now no catalog, we will specify this. If it is catalog, we will specify catalog information. To take the full backup, this is the basic command: backup database. It will take the full backup of complete all used blocks across all the table spaces data files except temp file. System sysop do tbs users one. These are the files in current. Backup is done. So this is the basic syntax. The syntax is backup database. It will take the full backup, and the backup pieces are gone to our FRA, which is u01 FRA prod. Each database unique name will create a folder, then backup sets. This is the folder for today, and then the backup piece name. This is gone to this one. Okay, this is the basic syntax. Now it generates backup pieces and stores in Oracle Home DBS, and backup set info into target DB control file. Now, but we specified FRA, it has gone there. Basic commands for RMAN. The basic commands in RMAN are, other than backup database, backup data file 4 are 5 for TBS, 4 for users. The data file names are like below. If it is 4, here the file number 4 means it's users, 5 means TBS, it's our choice. Backup data file 5, it will take only TBS. We can say backup data file 4 comma 5, it will take both. Here it will show us which one it is taking, and also what is the backup piece. This is the actual file which will go to our FRA. If we have another database, it will create another folder for it. Backup set here, online redo log files will go there. Each day we will be having a separate file. These are all the backup files which have been created just now. Mm, we can back up a complete table space. One table space in real time may have multiple data files. Instead of specifying each data file comma separated, we can say we can take the table space name. It will take complete table space backup. We can have backup control file, backup current control file. This will take only one file backup, control file backup, and where it kept, it gave us the details. This is the file which contains the current control file backup. To archive logs, backup archive log all, it will back up the complete archive logs which are there in the current archive log folder. Done. Now SP file backup, it took, we can take basically archive log, data files, SP file, control file. These are the backups we can take using RMAN. So by archive logs, most of the time the necessity is backup archive log all. Then once the backup is done, we can say delete input, so it will delete by automatic. It will take the backup, then it deletes the physical files from the folder. Folder means we can go there, cd, where is our u01 prod arc is the folder. Everything has been gone, nothing is there, means everything has been deleted. I shut down the putty session. Okay, now backup archlog, sp file, archlogs, and at the same time delete input will delete the files which we don't need anyhow. So in a single command to do backup database, include current control file plus archlog. So all the necessary except sp file, everything has been in single command. We don't have archlogs, so because we just now we deleted all the archlogs. You can execute some of the statements so that it will create some archlogs. We created just now. These are the four. Backup database include current control file plus archlog. Still it is looking for a file which we don't have. just use this. Archelog giving some error. Actually, that is the correct syntax, but some files deleted. It is looking for a particular file. We don't know why. Let's check this later. Some previously required files has been deleted. We'll see this matter later. So now for now, we can, if we have a folder here, we have cdbkpls. We delete all the, so nothing is there. Okay, now we can send the backup to our required folder. Backup database format u01 bkp. We can give some name. Full bkp of percentage u, capital U is for a system generated file name. So all our files will be backed up to that particular location. It created two files, one for full backup, another is for I think a control file and sp file auto backup. So we can send file to our decided folder using format command. Listing commands, we can say list backup to see all the backups done until now. Whatever backups we did, everything will be listed in this way, whatever we have right now in the system. And we can say list backup of data file to, we can go for any data file. Say our required file is users, how many times users has been backed up, all files will be shown. List backup of archelog, all archelog backups, their names, file names will be given. We can back up only to one table space, it will show us. We can delete everything, all the backup, whatever we have we can delete with this command, delete backup. We can say no prompt also, but we can delete obsolete. There is something called show. Sorry, show all. Redundancy is only one. So if we say delete backup, it will delete all. Basically, let us delete for now. Delete backup. It deletes everything from the beginning to until now, whatever we took backup. It now if you say list backup, nothing will be there. Everything will be there. Now the next chapter for the same topic.